In this example, we're going to take an expression containing multiple logarithmic expressions and combine it so that it's written as using a single logarithm. In doing so, we'll always make sure that we simplify the expression as much as possible. So just to start, let's review our properties of logarithms. And the key properties that we're going to use here, we're going to use this difference property. Anytime we take the log of, anytime we take log base a of m minus log base a of n, then we can write that as log base a of the quotient of m and n. The other property that we'll use here is that when we take log base a of some m raised to the r, that power r can come out front as a coefficient, and we'll see that written then as r times log base a of m. All right, so going back to our example, let's get this one started. So we have log of the quantity x squared plus 5x plus 6, and we're subtracting 2 times log of the quantity x plus 3.
I think for my purpose, the fact that it's slightly vague.
All right, so writing that original expression, we have log of this x squared plus 5x plus 6, and subtracting 2 times log of x plus 3. As our first step here, we can see that we have a difference, but this 2 that we see, with this 2 times log of x plus 3, is going to require that we do that power rule first. So we can only take log of a minus log of b and turn it into log of a over b if we just have that basic logarithmic function. So that 2 out front is going to have to move into the exponent before we can do anything else. So we'll show that, and that'll be log of then x squared plus 5x plus 6. That'll stay as is, and then this will be minus log of, and we're going to have that quantity x plus 3 to the second. So instead of having a coefficient of 2, we now have an exponent of 2 inside that logarithm. All right, now we can apply that difference rule. So from here, we're going to have log of the quotient of this first and second expression. So let's see, we'll have a log of, and then in this numerator, we're going to have x squared plus 5x plus 6, and then in that denominator, we're going to have the quantity x plus 3 squared. Now at this point we have a single logarithmic expression, but it can be simplified. And the reason is that x squared plus 5x plus 6 can be factored, and then factors within there can cancel with what's in our denominator. So we'll factor that numerator, and it can factor into x plus 3 times x plus 2. And we're dividing then, still by that quantity x plus 3 squared. And so now we see there's a factor of x plus 3 in each the numerator and denominator, so that'll simplify down to log of x plus 2 over x plus 3. And that is written as a single logarithm and fully simplified.